Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting for latest videos. So girls, the wait is over. Today bring some special beautiful crochet fingerless gloves design for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern, fabulous crocheting work, beautiful handmade knitting variety, mind-blowing pattern. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work and good queen section. You can ask me in queen section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Beautiful ideas, different variety. Different style. And fabulous crocheting work. Some are simple and some are beautiful. Button up style. If you are computer, mobile, laptop user, so this is very useful for you. Like very nice, beautiful. Some are beautiful. Crochet flower decorated ideas. Different style. Beautiful pattern. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.